Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Hope you're fine. Today we're going to be talking about pollution. What is pollution and who started it? Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can change into the form of chemical substances or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Pollutants of the components of pollution can either be foreign substances/energies or naturally occurring contaminants. In simpler words, it is pollution. When pollution is when gas, smoke, and chemicals are introduced into the environment in large doses that make it harmful for humans, animals, and plants. Some forms of pollution can be seen, some are invisible. Our Earth has an atmosphere that's made up of different gases. We breathe the air and we thrive on it. The calcare core of the records evidence of pollution Inca metallurgy around the 1480 in the form of trace amounts of bismuth, likely released from the atmosphere during the creation bismuth bronze, an alloy which has been recovered from the Inca Cerreta at Machu Picchu. Facts about pollution. What is water pollution? Each year, 1.2 trillion gallons of untreated sewage, stormwater, and industrial waste are dumped into the U.S. water. While children make up 10% of the world's population, over 40%, the global burden of diseases fall on them. More than 3 million children under age 5 die annually from the environmental factor. What is air pollution? Air pollution has been linked to higher rates of cancer, disease, stroke, and respiratory diseases such as asthma. In the US, nearly 134 million people, over 40% of the population, are at risk of disease and premature death because of air pollution, according to American Lung Association's estimates. What is solid waste? Materials regulated the RCRA are known as solid waste. Only materials that meet the definition of solid waste under RCRA that can be classified as hazardous waste, which are subject additionally regulations to EPA developed detailed regulation that define that materials qualify as solid waste and hazardous waste. What is noise pollution? As well as damage our hearing cause, tinnitus or deafness, constant loud noise can damage human health in many ways, particularly in very young and very old. So, what will happen if the pollution doesn't stop? If air pollution is not controlled by 2030, the air will become so poisonous that it will necessary to use an oxygen kit to breathe easily. Rising air pollution will also lead to premature aging. Human exposure to air toxins will increase to a great extent if air pollution is not controlled. Problems with people's heart, liver, kidney also can do diarrhea, cancer, and even cholera. Water pollution can cause many bad effects for people as well as for animals. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from my presentation. I hope we can change the world sooner or later. Bye.